Hey, cozy friends. So real quick, I just wanted to show you how I edit or how I do my shorts in CapCut, the app CapCut right here. So all I do is I go to CapCut, and you can get the free or the paid one. I have the pro, but I started out with the free. So click on the app, and then this is the menu that's going to pop up. So I hit AutoCut, and then it's going to bring me to my videos. So I haven't done my smoothie video yet, so I'm going to just show you how I'm going to do it before I post it. So these are all the snippets that I took this morning of my smoothie video. So you can just randomly just pick whichever ones you want to use. So that's what we're going to do. So I think I want to put that one first, because I used my walking pad this morning because I didn't want to walk in the dark because I had a hair appointment. So we want to do that one. Then we'll do this one, this one, this one, this one. We'll do all of these. And I just pick whichever ones that I think are going to look okay, pretty much. And then, oh no, not that one, the watch. And then I'll go over here to photos because I want to post the menu for today. And then I'll go down here. I'll select whatever photo. And then after that, you want to hit next. Once you do that, CapCut is going to, hold on. So I don't have nothing copyright down here. But CapCut is going to figure it out for you. And it's going to put your video, the beat of the music to your video for you. So what I'll do, and it'll give you a whole bunch of different options down here with music on it that you can choose from. So like I can either use this template right here, or I can go to the next one. Click on that. Now this is going to be a totally different template. But you see how it's already all done? Now you can go into here if you, I think you can do this on the free. I'm not sure because it's been a while since I had the free. But I think you can go in here on the free maybe and edit some more if you want to. I'm not sure unless that's a pro option. But let's look at another one I can use. So I just go through here and I just keep clicking until I find one where I'm like, okay, yeah, this is good. Okay, hit another one. But you see how it gives you all these different options? So you don't have to do the work. CapCut is doing the work for you when you do AutoCut. Now, if you do new video, well, there's some editing that you have to do with that one. And I'll show you that another time. But for shorts, just to get your shorts out there, this right here, easy peasy, all right? So say I'm going to use this one. Let's just say I am, okay? If I wanted to do more editing, I would hit edit and probably delete the music and put my own music in there or whatever I want to do. But if I'm okay with going with this, then I'm going to do export because I want to export this to my phone. So export, and it's going to start downloading it. And you can say save to device with CapCut watermark. That's fine. Who cares? And then it's going to start downloading your short. Once it's finished, don't close out while it's doing its thing. Don't close out of here. Let it go. And then it says if you want to share it to your TikTok, if you got a TikTok, hey, go for it. If not, I just close out of here. I just get out of there. And then I'll go to my camera and I'll make sure that it's in there. Because what I do, I start deleting stuff, you know, as I do it, because, you know, it starts to take up room on your phone. So if this is the one I'm going with, you see how it's already done? That's it. Now, if I say, okay, I don't want something in there, then you can go back, because CapCut's going to automatically save this. So you can go back into CapCut and change it, or find you another template. But that's all I do. This doesn't take no time to do this at all. So that's it. And then you just go and upload it in your YouTube studios, hit the plus sign, and just upload it. But this is just a quick, easy way, if you're trying to make shorts, to get your shorts out there, just use AutoCut. That way it takes all the pain and pressure out of you doing some fancy editing system and getting all frustrated with it, like me. So, hey, this is good enough for me, for my shorts. So that's all I have. I'll show you how I do my long form. That's kind of, I ain't gonna say it's more steps, but it's more steps than this, you know, but it's not anything crazy. Trust me, it's really not. It's super easy. That's all I got. Thanks for watching, cozy friends. See ya.